Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking the basics. Make sure your SIM is inserted, the phone is powered, and network or Wi-Fi is active. Next, open the Contacts app and change the view so you can see SIM, phone, and any cloud entries. This exposes hidden entries. Once done, look for import/export or backup options. Tap Import from SIM or Import from storage to begin bringing contacts into the phone memory. Do this now so later steps can work with a single consolidated list. Once you've started importing, continue by pulling every source into phone memory. If you have a VCF file, open File Manager, locate the file and choose Import to Contacts. Alternatively, pair via Bluetooth or connect by USB to transfer the VCF and then import. If contacts exist on SIM only, use copy from SIM to phone. After all sources are imported, run the merge or remove duplicates tool so you don't end up with multiple copies of the same contact. You finish by verifying that names and numbers appear when composing a message or receiving a call. This confirms proper import. Then immediately back up the complete list. Export a VCF to SD or Jio Cloud so you have a restore point. If contacts still seem missing, make sure contact visibility settings show SIM and phone entries, reboot the Jio phone, and re-import the VCF if needed. If transfers fail, try the alternate method, Bluetooth versus USB, and then repeat the import.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.